Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to do or how to enable the screen recording option in this device. Simply go to the quick settings. So here you can see the option screen recorder. Tap on this one. Okay, now we can choose the audio settings for the screen recording. You can record none of the voice. You can if you don't want to record the audio, then you have to select the option none. If you want to record only the media, then select this one. If you want to record the media and mic, then you need to select this one. To start the recording, tap on start. You can see the countdown started 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now the recording is started. Simply randomly I am moving the screen to record this device. So if you want to stop the recording, tap on the stop button. You can see recording saved. So simply in this way we can record the screen in this device without any third party application also. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.